guys, long time no talk. I've been really busy lately. Sorry I haven't been uploading any videos. Right now I'm driving, if you can't tell by the background. Yeah, I had my child, and you know, life kind of just like went out the window. I've been just focusing on taking care of him and everything. So I'm going to give you guys an update soon of, you know, everything that's been going on. He is a week old now, you guys. So maybe in another week, once I get, you know, things in order and I start, you know, getting the grasp of things, I'll go ahead and give you guys an update. Today, I just left Sonic. I got me and my husband some slushies. I think I'm just gonna, because I haven't done a wash and go with my new cut, I think I want to do a wash and go, and I think I want to actually do it in the shower because I haven't tried that before. And I'm trying to, you know, try new things to see what works best for my hair. As you can see, like, my hair, like, it needs to be done. Alright, so hey guys. So as you can see, I'm in the shower, a little change of setting. So to start this video off, I'm going to go ahead and wet my hair so it's completely soaked. And I apologize if you guys hear that noise in the background. It's hot in here, so I have my fan on, so don't mind that. And also don't mind my voice. I'm a little sick right now, but we're going to get through this. So as you guys can see, I wet my hair, and I'm doing a little light detangling just to make sure everything, you know, is not tangled. So I'm just making sure my hair is thoroughly wet. And then I'm going to go in with this Aussie Moist Miracle shampoo. This is the what is this, jojoba oil one. This is actually my second time using this one, and I actually like it. You guys know that I am an Aussie Moist girl, but I haven't actually tried this one. The difference in this one and the one that I've been using, this one makes my hair feel more squeaky clean than the other one. The other one that makes my hair feel like more moisturized and clean, but don't get me wrong, they both do make my hair feel clean. They make my scalp feel clean. This one just seems to have like a deeper clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo my hair. I only shampooed once because it does, like I said, it does give that squeaky clean feel. So now I'm rinsing that on out. And as you can see, I can run my fingers through my hair, which is good. Now I'm gonna go in with the deep conditioner by the same brand. And this deep conditioner made my hair feel very, very moisturized, you guys. I love this deep conditioner. I would say I love this better than the other one, but they're both really great conditioners. And as you can see, again, I can run my fingers through my hair. So I didn't use any combs with this styling process. If you didn't, you know, notice, I haven't pulled out any combs. I've been using my hands. Like I said, you guys, I'm trying new things to see what works with my hair, what doesn't work. And I seem to be liking this method. Like I said, this is my first time actually doing this, but I believe I'm going to continue to do this. This wasn't my choice. I kind of lost my comb, but, you know, to each his own. And like I said, I do like the deep conditioner. So I'm going to go ahead and part my hair with my fingers. As you can see, I did get a pretty straight part. And I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off into 3 sections. And I'm going to start with the back section. And I'm going to go in with my leave-in and then my gel of choice. And so the leave-in I'm going to be using is this Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. I'm going to be putting that on my hair and then going in with the Wetline Gel. I actually didn't show that one. I don't know what happened to that footage, but I am using the Wetline Extreme Gel. So I actually applied the leave-in conditioner to my whole head, and then after that I went in with the gel. As you can see, I did put a little ponytail in the back, but I did decide to twist up the rest of my hair. So now you will see that I am actually going in with the Wetline Extreme Gel. And today I decided to actually shingle my hair. I usually don't do that, but like I said, I'm trying something new, seeing what's working, what doesn't work. And I actually kind of like this method. My hair turned out very defined. I'm just going through and shingling my hair out. And I'm using quite big sections to shingle. I'm not using small sections at all. And I still get pretty good results. So we'll go ahead and shingle the rest of my hair, and I'll come back and talk to you guys when I'm done. Alright you guys, so I'm completely done with my hair. It took me about 10-15 minutes to do, so I say that's a pro to this. Anything I can do to cut my wash and go in half, I'm all for it. So I gave you guys a view of what my hair looks like. I'm going to let it air dry for a little while, and then I'm going to do my regular diffusing routine, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it's looking like in the end. If there is a difference, probably won't be, but you know, the same token, I'm just going to come back and show you guys exactly what the end results are looking like. So y'all stay tuned for that. I'm going to go let this air dry, then I'm going to diffuse like I said, and then I'm going to come back. Alright you guys, so these are my ending results. This is how everything came out with me shingling my hair, doing my washing, going in the shower. Every girl is pretty much doing its own thing. I did diffuse and stretch out my hair a little bit, didn't do too much. My bangs, I pretty much like them like this, just like kind of in my face, but not really in my face, if you know what I mean. But this is what my hair currently looks like. I'll give you guys a quick 360. That's what it looks like, as you can see. With movement, which you know, you guys know I do like the movement. So yeah, let me know. I can't talk. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload a new video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye guys.